সুপ্রিম কোর্টে আরজিকর মামলার শুনানি শুরু হলো। ঘড়ির কাঁটায় 4:28 শুরু হলো সুপ্রিম কোর্টে আরজিকর মামলার শুনানি। নয়াদিল্লি থেকে রয়েছে মৈত্রেয়ী। ঘড়ির কাঁটা প্রায় 4:30 শুরু হলো আরজিকর মামলার শুনানি। এর আগে আমরা দেখলাম 4:15 নাগাদ তখন কিন্তু একটা এই শুনানি শুরু হওয়ার কথা ছিল, কিন্তু 5 মিনিটের একটা বিরতি ছিল। তারপর অবশ্যই 4:30। আমি আরো একবার জানতে চাইবো আজকের এই শুনানি পর্বে কোন কোন গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়গুলো উঠে আসবে।
দেখো, এই মুহূর্তে শুনানি শুরু হয়ে গিয়েছে এবং নির্যাতিতার পরিবারের হয়ে বৃন্দা গ্লোবাল তিনি আজকে সওয়াল শুরু করেছেন এবং তিনি প্রথমে যেটি কৃষি প্রধান বিচারপতি বেঞ্চের হাতে তুলে দিয়েছেন এবং তিনি আরো একটি বিষয় তুলে ধরেছেন যে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় একাধিক পোস্ট ঘুরছে নির্যাতিতার ছবি এবং নাম নিয়ে। সেগুলো যাতে বন্ধ করা যায় তার জন্য একজনকে নমিনেট করার পরামর্শ তিনি দিয়েছেন, যাতে 4-5 যাতে গোটা বিষয়টির উপর নজর রাখা যায়। প্রসঙ্গত এর আগে উইকিপিডিয়া থেকে নির্যাতিতার নাম সরানোর জন্য এবং ছবি সরানোর জন্য নির্দেশ জারি করেছিলেন প্রধান বিচারপতি CBI চন্দ্রচূড়ের নেতৃত্বাধীন বেঞ্চ এবং আজকে সে বিষয়টি নির্যাতিতার পরিবারের তরফ থেকে তোলা হচ্ছে এবং এই মুহূর্তে শুনানি শুরু হয়ে গিয়েছে। যেমন আমরা আগে বলছিলাম যে আজকে বৃন্দা গ্লোবাল নির্যাতিতার পরিবারের হয়ে তিনি সওয়াল করবেন এবং তার সওয়ালে কি উঠে আসে, কোন কোন দিক তারা তুলে ধরেন, পরিবারের তরফ থেকে কি আশঙ্কা এখনো পর্যন্ত রয়েছে সেই বিষয়গুলো তুলে ধরা হবে। অন্যদিকে আজকে ইন্দিরা জয়ন্তী তিনিও কিছুক্ষণ আগে তিনি জানিয়েছেন যে খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ দুটি বিষয় রয়েছে, সেটা জুনিয়র ডাক্তারদের হয়ে তিনি তুলে ধরতেছেন প্রধান বিচারপতি বেঞ্চের কাছে।
সঙ্গে থাকো।
One number, my learned friend, my lord, or anyone else, my lord, whoever finds that either name or depiction or photograph.
Well, like, this part now you are between you. You don't need an order from us.
My lord, just one more aspect.
The commissioner of police, the ex-commissioner of police, who's now been transferred, he himself gave a press interview in which he disclosed the name.
My lord, before we
On the very
that,
same
can
day.
I just finish, please?
Yes.
With respect to this, there is also a film that is going to be released tomorrow on YouTube, which says that it is based on RG Kaur incident. I am not in the all saying that nobody should speak, nobody should express themselves. That's not the submission. However, would that interfere with the investigation, which is at a very early and sensitive stage? Secondly, how has she been portrayed? Will it in any way be, and I've attached that screenshot also, because that's already being publicized on social media.
If some film is being released and you want to stop the release of the film, you have to take recourse to independent remedies and law.
I bow down, my lord. I'm not making that. I'm only bringing it to the attention that this is, as my lord said, proliferating. If there is a nodal person appointed by the Union of India, it would then be someone we can contact or pass on the information for them to take action in accordance with law.
Solicitor, what you can do is that you can just identify, maybe in the cybercrime unit of the Ministry of Home Affairs or any appropriate agency, one nodal person who can be available for anybody to say that, well, this is the clip.
It would be, my lord, it may not be Ministry of Home Affairs, it would be IT.
Meti.
Meti, my lord, we'll give the, my lord, one nodal officer.
So that you can duly publicize it, and in which case, any clip which has to be pulled down,
Yes.
that intimation can be given by email or whatever to that particular
There is a system.
portal. Just put it into place and
Certainly.
My lord, one line in an order might be required, because on the last occasion, para 7 speaks specifically to Wikipedia. What my lords had said in Shreya Singhal, and I was before my lords in that matter, is that takedowns can only happen by court order.
So we've passed that order.
Yes, my lords. Yes.
We've already passed
Yes.
that order.
Well, coming back to the
No,
police.
my lord, that may be passed then in today's order.
Last order, it's
That was
very-
specific.
Specifically on Wikipedia, my lord.
Wikipedia, not
Only vis-a-vis
Just
Wikipedia.
say
any intermediate.
the parents of the parents of the deceased
This is
have been disconcerted by repeated clips in the social media referring to photographs and the name of the deceased.
Videos, my lords. Reels.
Besides these clips, videos have also proliferated in the social media. Stop. The earlier order of this court shall, it is clarified, not be confined only to Wikipedia, but shall apply in relation to all
Intermediaries.
and full stop. To reiterate, there shall be, to reiterate, no intermediary shall allow or carry the publication of the name of the deceased, her identity, photographs or videos, either pertaining to the incident at the RG Medical College or otherwise.
Please, members.
So that's a preventive order. As far
On the request of the court, the Solicitor General has stated that the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, into brackets MIT, shall nominate a nodal officer to whom any communication in relation to the unauthorized uploading of content or information pertaining to the deceased can be intimated, so that necessary action can be taken with the intermediary concerned for pulling down such publication or dissemination.
I'm grateful, members.
So we need to go a step ahead and let the Ministry of Information Technology lay down some due diligence guidelines for the future also. After all, these incidents may happen, may recur. So let the ministry, since we are taking up this.
There must be something, Manoj. If there is none, we will take care.
MIT may also consider laying down guidelines.
There are some, Manoj. There are some.
Guidelines to govern such cases consistent with the judgments of this court and the governing provisions of law.
But as regards the police commissioner, his infraction already, which amounts to a criminal act under 72.
My learned friend agrees there is also that there is a guideline in.
There is a legal system in place. There's an empowerment under sections of the IT Act and rules framed thereunder. There's no need for further directions from this court, not because it can go to the other extreme of censorship. One has to be very careful.
Yeah, no, nobody is.
Exactly.
Nobody is now on censorship.
We'll delete that last sentence from today's order. If there is some deficiency, point it out to us on the next occasion. We'll then couple on.
So the Calcutta High Court,
Just one second, Mr. Lord, if I may request your Lordship to direct the registrar of this court to give wide publicity to this order, this particular order passed today, so that the general public is put to notice.
It would get wide publicity.
Well, that I understand, but
As a matter of fact, it might end up defaming the girl more.
it's not true, Mr. Mehta. The general public needs to be put to notice. Not everybody reads judgments of this court.
I don't think, Manoj, that may be necessary. That might end up, Manoj,
All right.
defaming the.
Now, this part we'll move on from.
Just one last point.
Before Mr. Solicitor, you got the latest report of the CBI.
Yes.
Let's see the aspect.
But just one point. Because the Calcutta High Court was seized over a couple of petitions, one of which I appeared in last time, where the petitioner is seeking monitoring of an FIR to be lodged. Till today, no FIR has been lodged against the police commissioner, then police commissioner, who on emerging from the hospital,
He names
reveals
the-
the identity